Fiberglass industry is thriving at a rapid rate. The world is converting to lightweight and durable products involving lower cost of manufacturing. This has been made possible by development of fiberglass products ranging from domestic use to sports, aerospace, and almost all walks of life. It is important to understand the basics of fiberglass manufacturing before starting the production industry. This lecture briefly introduces fiberglass composites, including several critical steps, from material selection to final quality control. Detailed understanding of each step is essential to ensure the production of high-quality parts that meet the specific needs of each application. Technology Education and Mentoring Center is starting a series of lecture, which will describe pros and cons of different fiberglass products and guidance about their manufacturing processes and technology. Current lecture is first of the series. Fiberglass parts are used in a wide variety of industries, including domestic use, automotive industry, construction industry, marine and aerospace industry, wind energy. Fiberglass is a widely used material in various industries due to its exceptional properties, such as lightness, corrosion resistance, and high mechanical strength. In this comprehensive guide, we will detail the process of manufacturing fiberglass parts, covering everything from material selection to final finishing steps. Topics covered in this presentation are flashed on the screen. Information about further guidance and consultation procedures is provided at the end of this presentation. Proper material selection is crucial to ensuring the quality of fiberglass parts. Main components include resin, which also defines the properties of the final products. Glass fiber fabrics or mats. Curing aids like catalysts and accelerators, if selected correctly, can reduce the energy expenditure on production of glass fiber items. These components have been briefly introduced in this slide. The mold can be made from various materials, such as aluminum, wood, or even other fiberglass parts. Release agents can be waxes, plastic films, or chemical release agents. Proper application of the release agent is essential for the integrity of both the part and the mold. A layer of gel coat, which provides a smooth surface and protects the final part against moisture and chemicals. Fiber roving are evenly distributed in the mold. Precision cutting machines ensure superior production quality. Automatic resin applicators and laminators are used to impregnate the fibers with resin uniformly, improving the quality and consistency of the manufactured parts. Lamination is the heart of the fiberglass parts manufacturing process. It can be performed in several ways, depending on the complexity of the part and the type of resin used. In hand layup, fiberglass is laid into the mold and impregnated with resin using rollers or brushes. This method is ideal for parts with lower complexity and small-scale production. Vacuum infusion is a more advanced method where the resin is drawn through the fiberglass using negative pressure. This process ensures better impregnation of the fibers and reduces the number of air bubbles, resulting in stronger and lighter parts. Pultrusion is ideal for manufacturing long parts with a constant cross-section, such as profiles and rods. Curing is the process by which the resin hardens and acquires its final properties. The curing temperature and time vary depending on the type of resin used. Cold curing resins cross-link at room temperature when exposed to air. This method is simpler and more economical but may take longer. Second option involves placing part in an oven to speed up the curing process. After curing, fiberglass parts go through several finishing steps to meet the desired specifications. This includes demolding, trimming followed by polishing and painting. All these steps are shown on the screen. Quality control is a vital part of the fiberglass parts manufacturing process. Each part is meticulously inspected to ensure it meets the required standards. Quality control involves both non-destructive and destructive test procedures depending upon the application of the final item. Sustainability is a growing concern in the manufacturing of fiberglass parts. Efforts are being made to reduce the environmental impact of the production process. Special emphasis is directed towards recycling of waste and reducing emissions during production. Sustainable materials may be preferred over traditional materials. The topic of sustainability has been allocated as separate lectures. The process of manufacturing fiberglass parts is complex and involves several critical steps, from material selection to final quality control. With continuous advancements in materials and processes, fiberglass will remain a valuable material in various industries, contributing to innovation and sustainability. Anyone interested in starting composites manufacturing project may contact Technology Education and Mentoring Center for free guidance. Contact us on email for free advice and guidance. Important web links are flashed on the screen. Stay tuned for future courses on offer from Technology Education and Mentoring Center.